We'll talk about how can you change your nickname on your Webull app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, click here on menu down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings. So then you come to next step here, click here on account and security here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on personal information. So then you click here on nickname here, just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. Then here can you change your nickname in this list here. So I'm going to add, for example, this nickname here. Then you click here on confirm here. Then it's going to change with you like you see on your app. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.